Kheroni Student Association would like to vehemently condemn the violent attack which was perpetrated on some of the activists at Kheroni, West Kheroni on the 15th of this month. And this is not the first incident. There has been some sporadic incidents that have happened, and the last major incident that had happened was in the year 2014, where 4 of our activists, our members, were attacked and they were being hospitalized. Come to the point that these incidents is happening not by a common people. There are some vested interest people whom we would say gundas, and like they are the illegal migrants who have captured and settled at the PGR and VGR land areas. We therefore, on behalf of the Kheroni Student Association, would like to demand the law and order authority to arrest all the culprits involved in this incident within 48 hours and book them under the criminal procedures. And we would also like to demand the Kheroni Autonomous Council to immediately evict all the illegal settlers in the PGR and VGR land areas. Now, coming to the point that until and unless the eviction drive happens, we, along with the public masses, will continue our democratic movement against such illegal settlers, and we would not stop. Please keep this in mind. We would not stop, and we would continue our democratic movement. Today, I also would like to appeal each and everyone in the district to maintain peace and to restrain, to involve in the violent activities. Today we are in this situation just because of the illegal settlers, and to keep this in mind, the authority should take their initiatives very urgently. Thank you.
Ada pilih ada kita buka Diphu lah dah tok kita mana bot beda jiwa. Itu driver mana bom fake ni. Itu mau Diphu tu driver mana bom dun fake ni. Kasi song tonte. Kasi song ton jiwa ton malia tu. Song ton tu nang ni. Itu driver tu nak kumama ke bon betu mana angke ni tu motor driver station nang sini tu nang cisong ji. Mamai kata yang tak itu kar biak kai pun anak kecil aku itu cisong ton tu nang ni. Biak kai pun anak kecil aku itu motor driver tu nang cisong ton tu nang ni. Ton tu nang ni itu kar biak itu laan hinduk hinglak lah itu driver tu mata itu kata itu lah tak Diphu driver tu. Justice! We want 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 justice!
Pamuhet additional SP bens kami ninggul ada pang
angkin yang nangkoi
Konsi lap PGR long itu KCKB asotong kan harle lap nang jitu kasih song kepa dontu ya Kheroni cari lapete dongka lapete jengkalong padolo kasu padolo det pena bangke kepa tuh pakai sambil dame thot kache bang huwa chu bangke ni tuma bilta kache dong bangke pawan kumar rai kupri constituency no keto bang MSC alang ya bangke well training puri pamit kan masih itu kan bicara ya som atuma au somal tuman are ngaku masih nang suara ngaku kita sudah na bangke pawan kumar MSC alang ya sila ke kache rado alang ya sila to la kan RNSS President Secretary mate RNSS pola teroris asong tumsi la well planning puri pamit kan sini tum karbicara ya song member la kan SDC di kono member kan are aku pasu di kono kan media hote pasilo la pena bang ada ke KSA SDC di kono are biso kali lo la ke karbi jaring solo kusna itu media hote mang ni yang pasili bang tung lo la pen ke la bang so BJP government na bang ke mon het jong la karbi ngolong ke do karbi apa bang ke alang li tum thakle dam hai se la PGR rom ke do bom ape do kol kari ala kiche ke beso ta ko pasi alang li tom thale ra hedelo ba inchon a hedelo dak mi si dak lo je kar dinglo autonomous council long ke ja kon tum kar benglong autonomous council a sia pulra rong hake take kar benglong a sia ke chuja otmasi hedelo alang li ke kar di phanti cho hai un chot la ben kiche ke beso khatla ke alang ke cho hai masi u e ko bang ke tumi ni tum kar belo chali song la ben si jo ko te ke kar bi are nge so masi klang dak